The following contest is scheduled for one fall, and it is for the WWE Universal Championship.
This guy looks eager to add some gold around his waist. Let's see if he can do it.
Talk about making an entrance.
You know, sometimes a superstar just has that look in his eye. And this is one of those times. Don't change that channel. This match is sure to be an instant classic.
Here we go.
Oh, yeah.
We had a feeling this would happen.
Yeah, they really don't want to wait.
Look at these two giving it their all. There's absolutely no quit in them tonight.
Look at this vicious onslaught. Rollins is just awesome.
He didn't need a GPS to find the mark.
Well, on the topic of Seth Rollins here, tell us your thoughts. Seth Rollins leads a quiet life away from the ring, but his love of sports entertainment began when he was 3 years old. Rollins' father and grandfather took him to see his first WWE show at the Wharton Fieldhouse in his hometown of Davenport, Iowa, and that's when it all began. So what do you think about Seth Rollins?
Definitely looking confident in this one-on-one environment. We're going to find out a lot here tonight. Head-to-head, no excuses. Let's get it on.
This Seth Rollins has a funny way of making bad situations even worse.
The traditional Survivor Series Elimination Tag Team match is such a wild card, especially when you bring together so many combustible elements.
Michael, Seth wanted to follow his dream to WWE, literally. Seth traveled to Phoenix, Arizona, so he could see WrestleMania 26 live. With that kind of passion, it's no surprise that Seth Rollins is one of the premier superstars in WWE today.
Not today, too fast.
Sometimes when you get outside the ring, it's survival. It becomes almost secondary when you get near all these dangerous objects. I think I saw a tooth fly out. Well, we're on the move here.
It's no secret Seth Rollins grew up with a dream of being a WWE superstar. Very few people know that Rollins was actually in the crowd at WrestleMania 26. No one knew that just 3 years later, Rollins could make his own WrestleMania debut as a member of the Shield.
Well, you know, Michael, the WWE roster is full of stories of superstars following their dreams to make it to the big time. But Few of those stories include a superstar like Seth Rollins, who was actually in the crowd for a WrestleMania. It doesn't get much cooler than that.
Man, oh man, did he take a wild swing with that one.
You're right. That was wild indeed. Good thing we're over here.
And he's heading back in.
I can't blame him. Nothing good is going to happen out here on the floor. Oh, out of nowhere. He's got him.
This guy can go toe-to-toe with anybody. He might not even know where he is after that attack to the back of his head.
Just when you thought a powerbomb couldn't get any more devastating, Kevin Owens goes and adds a twist that makes it purely lethal.
I'm having a hard time figuring out what they're going to do next.
Me too. I've given up even trying to figure out what they're going to do next. I'm just sitting back watching and enjoying.
Rollins is scheming to land that wicked kick of his.
End of story. This one's over. Boy, he just got laid out.
Are you alluding to earlier, King? Kevin Owens' pop-up powerbomb gives him that little something extra that makes a ton of difference.
Yeah, it's like being rammed into the mat from 8 feet in the air. How are you supposed to get up from that?
Quick thinking to avoid that.
That hand had a lot of force behind it. I'm not sure I can watch this.
Not today, too fast. He's endured heavy blows here. I don't know how much longer he can go. The referee may have to call this match, King.
Oh my gosh, this is awful. I'm going to tell you something. Whenever you get hit like that, for the next 15 minutes, everybody you see has an exact win. Big power bomb. Oh, out here you have to be able to think on your feet lightning fast. One mistake. Here's the cover.
And he escapes with a kick out.
Just when you think Rollins is down, he pulls something from his bag of tricks. Just by looking at Kevin Owens, I wouldn't think he'd be the type of superstar to pull off a moonsault. Then I saw him do it. And wow, was I ever amazed. He's in full-on attack mode now.
With the championship at stake, you know these superstars will get everything they have to win here tonight.
Oh, that goes without saying, Cole. The WWE Championship, it's what it's all about here in the WWE. Every superstar wants to be the champion, and tonight's match, what just happened? Man, when something like that happens, your night takes a sharp turn for the worse.
And into the cover. Not the first time we've seen this move. Tonight.
I'm not sure I can watch this. Not this. That's it. He's done.
He thinks he has it.
1, 2. This match has taken so much out of this guy. He's not going to give up. But man, this has been physical.
Another great crowd here in St. Louis. The fans here in this great city never disappoint.
Oh, wait, nice reversal.
We're looking at complete domination here.
Well, we're on the move here.
He's really taking over this match now.
Oh, out here you have to be able to think on your feet lightning fast.
Shoulders, and the shoulders up now. That's a kick out.
Nice. Oh, it's going to take more than that to keep him down tonight.
Quick thinking to avoid that. Second time's a charm.
Well, the trick sometimes when you get outside the ring is survival. The match becomes almost secondary when you get near all these dangerous objects. Man, Seth Rollins, what offense! Oh, out here you have to be able to think on your feet lightning fast. One mistake, one moment of hesitation, and you could find yourself in a world he may have to tap out right here. Somehow, he's kicked it into another gear here tonight.
Just a dominating display.
Yeah, I think we could see a lot of punishment inflicted here. Ow! Ooh.
Quickly into the cover with the title on the line.
Here we go!
The moonsault's not the only. He did it. The winner and your new champion.
Let's go to the highlights here. Oh, that was a match for the record books. The WWE Universe will be buzzing about this one for a while. 1 in a million is the only way to describe this match. Oh, what a spectacular match.
Here are your winners and new WWE Universal Champion, Seth Rollins.
Put a check in the win column for Seth Rollins.
And on top of that, there's a new champion in the WWE.
What a match that was, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for joining us.